All right, thanks for joining us.
I just want to throw a little bit light on what you was discussing. So my own suggestion is this: is like we have given our leaders enough chance to manipulate us, and it's high time we react the way we should do as a human. For example, now here I am. There is a major road that was constructed by Ekpa, which is from Nigeria to Burkina Faso, to Mali, Senegal, and the rest of them. So that road now is no go area. That road now is no go area because of what? All these terrorists of it and the rest of them. So before, when I came to this country newly, because where I serve is along the road, so you used to see all these cars, as in they used to go to Cotonou, load fuel, load cars, load whatever they want to load, and they will be going to Burkina, Mali, Senegal, and the rest of them. But today, they are no longer using this road because of what? All this Boko Haram of it. So they have closed that border for more than, if I'm not mistaken, for more than 7 years now. So last time there was a lot of soldiers of this republic that they killed that place. They sent them for deportation and they killed all of them. So because when they strike at the other side of Burkina will face them with as in what they deserve, and they will run back to this side. Are you getting? So all the time, it's like what this president said. I couldn't remember the name of the president. He said that there are 3 countries in Africa that are sponsoring Boko Haram. One is Nigeria, second is Benin Republic, and third is Djibouti or which country I don't remember. Are you getting? Even though Traoré is facing many challenges, they're even trying to assassinate him and the rest of them, but yet those that are seen that knows truth and think what the man is doing, that he came for betterment of the country. But because the cabals, what they are getting before, they're not getting it. That's why they are trying to assassinate him. So coming back to Nigeria, the only solution in Nigeria is division, as the other lady said. When Nigeria is divided, then an Igbo man will hustle to make his home a better place, or to build his home the way he wants it to be. Likewise, Hausa and Yoruba and so of them, as in those that want to divide. Keep somebody in a forced marriage will never solve the problem. And like what the lady said, that they have been sold out, that even if there is their mother that was protesting, that they will not say anything. So, and another thing, if possible, so let me use an example of if it is a Hopo Zodima, Bitamba, that of him by state Mwifuru or something, or this one that Anambra state, this that is talking nonsense. If you could remember what's happening in Enugu last time, in Uzuali, if I may remember, when Ifeanyi was the governor of Enugu State. When the Fulani came and started slaughtering people and so on, what did he do when he came? He was crying, saying go right years as a man. Normal, if that DPO said, you're supposed to as in buy the man there and show him how the thing, that as how it is suit. Are you getting me? But you were putting the head of the gun, hitting the man, say what happened. That's not how things should be done now. They are doing this thing now because of what? Very soon now it will be a rainy season and farming will start. To give another panic to our women, our mothers, our farmers, so that they will not go to farm. And with this, they will be telling us that they are the one feeding us. That if they want, they will go with their food, and so on, we will be starving. Igbo land is not landlocked. We can grow any crop we want to grow in Igbo land.
Yeah.
We can grow any crop. They think that we are fighting for Biafra is because of oil. Oil is not even in the list of why we are fighting for Biafra. We want a better place where my own opinion will be counting. Where I will be living like, as in, I will be living like a human being, not like an animal in the cage. Even some, Nnamdi Kanu said this. Even some animals in the cage are far more better than us. Yeah. Even we that used to come, we follow Semebo and so and come back to Nigeria. If we tell you what we are passing through there as an Igbo, we as in we pity us.
Serious.
You will be in a taxi like this with Benin Republic people and some Yoruba or Hausa and the rest of them. When you get to immigration of a checkpoint, they will stop you. They will be asking you, where are you coming from? You will be be proud that you are in Nigeria and that you are in your country and the rest of them. And we will be telling them, I'm in Nigeria. And where are you coming from? Benin Republic. Where are you going to? I'm going to Lagos or so place. They will ask you to come down.
Serious.
Never mention that you are never mention your Igbo name or that you are from East. They will ask you to come down. And if care is not taken, what you will pay there that day, you will regret it. I tell you, severally, I was passing there with my passport, fully stamped and so rest of them. If you show them passport, they will tell you that that's not what they are eating. But they will leave strangers that are together with you, and you will be the one that they will tackle. So it made the thing I didn't go to a stage. I decided not to follow that road again. Instead of following that road, I start following water.
How do they follow water?
Well, when you get to Cotonou, there's one town that they used to call Cotonou. When you get to Cotonou, there is this road that follows this thing, Owede to close to roundabout. So when you get to that Owede, you will ask Okada that you are going to waterside. They will take you to waterside. You take a boat. That boat now will bring you, this thing, the young park that is in this thing, Maituba.
Yeah.
It will bring you will just follow the back where the boat will drop you. We just trek and enter that young park, and it's another reason.
You understand?
All these things, honestly, we are not happy about it. But my own is like as if to say, Igbo people, as in they are the chosen lamb that will be slaughtered any day, anytime, anywhere. We don't have anyone that is speaking for us, and even the one that decided to sacrifice everything he has to speak for us, we still keep him in detention. Yeah. What did Nnamdi Kanu do that nobody have ever done in Nigeria? Just tell me.
You understand?
They have people that have done that before. They are still doing it, and they will still do it. What did Nnamdi Kanu do? Will you tell me that had it been that somebody from North or an Hausa that is, let me say, a prince of anemia, and they will keep him in detention, even though the father is no longer alive and he's supposed to take over the throne of his father. They will keep him in detention for these years. Yeah. Where is our traditional rulers, our pastors, our priests, those that claim that they are representing us and so rest of them? Where are they? Look at how Imo State is today. People have turned Imo State upside down, thinking that after his reign or maybe he will reign forever. Political office is not a job. It's an appointment. You can leave anytime and another person will come.
If only they know.
It's like what Nnamdi Kanu said that when Biafra comes, whatever post you got to occupy, you will just have that 8 years or maybe 5 years to show your people that you care for them. After that, you go back and look for something doing. But in Nigeria, somebody will be a governor today. Before he finished the 8 years, he's already looking trying to occupy another position, maybe Senate. He'll be a senator. From senator, they will have another nominating minister. From minister, he will be turning up and down, like I used to say that, he can't do any other thing if not politics. Look at P2B. Honestly speaking, if they don't release Nnamdi Kanu, we don't know where we are for now. Because many things are happening. Many things are happening underground in our backyard that we don't know.
Of course.
Igbo people, we don't like somewhere that is dirty. Going into the bush, we hardly see an Igbo man going into the bush, and that's why when these people come, they will occupy our bushes and make it as in permanent place for themselves. They will come out from that place, create havoc outside, and go back. Even if we see them going back, we will chase them to a limit and we'll go back. We will think maybe that place they are going to, maybe is a den of lion or whatever, some other nature. I don't know. It's like what she said, that maybe they will tell Pitamba to shun them or to do this, to do that. Pitamba will do it. He killed one guy when he called him off his ruling. from my village. There was protest that many people tried it. Stop sit at home. This one came. Stop to sit at home. It's only if I that I saw that finish his tenure without asking anybody to stop sit at home. Let me tell you, if not because of sit at home, Nnamdi Kanu, Akech is okay for years. But this sit at home is what used to make people to remember that there is somebody that is in detention because of us. All I have to say is what? It's better if we can capture one or two of these governors. This day free. We will suffer the same thing that those people used to suffer. I'm telling you honestly.
This way, my brother. This way.
Because what we do to them that we attend to them, all they care about is their family, their children, even their extended family. They don't care. If you like, go kidnap the person, they will not even bother. Donald Trump is what I said last time, that he's deporting people that are in the US and so rest of them. And I said one thing, I'm happy he's doing so, but at least let him focus on the children of those politicians from Africa, and leave those that sold their land, those to look for a greener pasture. Let them hustle and make a living and feed home. But those sons and daughters of our politicians, governor, senator, minister, president, both president and the past and so rest of them, let deport all of them. Not only deporting them, ban them not to see them again in America. If possible, let Europe do the same thing again. Because he may deport them from America and they will come back and come to Europe or maybe Asia and so rest of them. Deport them. All this Western world, you don't want to see them there. What is it taking ECOWAS? Let me say ECOWAS, West Africa, to build a standard hospital. Let it just be like our politicians, president, ministers, and all the rest of them. Go to US or go to wherever you want to go today. Those qualified doctors that are there, they are maybe, let me say, Africans, most especially Nigerians. It's like last time there was the asking doctors not to go outside to look for a job. You cannot provide one for them, and we are asking them not to go out.
Sorry,
my brother. We can't provide job for the youth. The ones that are doing a little to pick $1, $2, $1, $3 from outside, we are still arresting them. What do you want them to do?
Sorry, my brother.
We can't do anything to them. They have penetrated us. They have finished us. They know our in and out. All we can do now is what? Make sure that TSN is functioning. All these things that they are creating, this and that, they are not doing anything. So that's just my own contribution. At least if we can capture one of the governors, the ministers, the senators, and so rest of them, as in let the person suffer the pain that the poor masses are suffering, then maybe we will be talking to them and they will be hearing. Also, Kanu, normal, he's not supposed to be agitating for the reason of his brother. Let me say his son, not his brother. His son. But he's saying nothing. Because of what? Maybe he's looking for maybe next election he will get a Senate president. Who will give it to him? As an Igbo man, even in my next one, I will still ask God to make me an Igbo man, but honestly, I don't have any say in my life today.
It's all right. Thank you so much.
So that's just my own contribution, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. I have a nice.
Yeah.
All right. I think this is just a live broadcast that is not going to be long. We are going to stop now. Thank you so much, everyone who truly joined us. It is, well, it's so pathetic. It's so unfortunate. And tomorrow we are going to dig deep into the crimes these people have committed against our mothers. And we are going to take swift action. We're not going to allow these things just to go like this, because if not, more and more things will just continue to happen like this, of which we are not going to allow it to happen. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me this evening.
if we were give us a good constitution